play a ukulele for beginners, tutorials on how to play ukulele for beginners. And I'm gonna show you the 5 major chords. As for now, this major chords C, F, G, D, and A. And that's what we're gonna learn today. And ukulele has 4 strings. 4, 3, 2, 1. And holding a ukulele, if you're playing it, it will be like this. And practice holding the ukulele in this manner if you're playing it. The thumb finger will be around this thing at the back. Okay. For the left finger, we'll be doing the chords. This will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so striking the chords will be downstroke like this. Okay, so first we're gonna learn the major chord C, and major chord C will be like this. This is the third, first, second, third. The third finger will be on the first string on the third fret, like this, C. And then F, major F will be, this is the first finger, it will be on the second string on the first fret, and then the third finger will be on the fourth string on the second fret, like this. F. And then G, major chords G will be like this. This number one finger will be on the third string on the second fret, and then number 2 finger will be on the first string on the second fret, and then the number 3 finger will be on the second string on the third fret, like this. And then major chords D will be like this. First, second, third, number 1, number 2, number 3 will be on the second fret on the 4, 3, 2 strings. So like that. And the next chords, the major A will be like this. The number 4 will be on the first fret, on the third, and then third string, and then this number 2 will be on the fourth strings on the second fret. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. This is C, and then F, major G, major D, and then major major A, sorry about that. So those are the 5 chords: the C, the F, the G, the D, and the A. So this is how to play the 5 major chords, and hope you like it. And if you're learning how to play ukulele or guitar, just keep on practicing. It will be hard at first time, but once you learn it, it's fun playing, singing with the song and while playing it. And so that's it. So hopefully to see you again next time, and thanks for watching. And we're gonna be doing next video. We'll be learning how to play more of the chords major chords in playing how to play ukulele for beginners. And again, thank you, and thank you for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful time, and see you again next time. And again, take care everyone, and bye bye.